In this module, let's take a look at how we can set up JumpCloud admins and users with multi-factor authentication within the JumpCloud portal. To get started, you'll first need to log into your JumpCloud admin console with your JumpCloud administrative account and password. In this module, we'll focus on enabling MFA for a JumpCloud user. Towards the end of this tutorial, we'll also show how to enable these same configurations for JumpCloud admins. To enable MFA on a JumpCloud user, ensure that you've selected Users from the left-hand side menu and you can see the user list. Search or select the user that you'd like to enable MFA for and click on the user to bring up their user configuration panel. While in the Details tab, you can view MFA settings under the User Security Settings and Permissions dropdown below the user information. Under the User Security Settings and Permissions panel, you'll see a checkbox under the password expiration labeled Require Multi-Factor Authentication on User Portal. A new field will appear below. This is an enrollment period of X amount of days for this user. Here, you can set up the number of days you'd like to give the user in order to set up MFA for his or her JumpCloud account. If the user bypasses or ignores the MFA setup in their user portal after the X amount of days you've set in for enrollment, the user will then become locked out of their JumpCloud account. Once you've set the number of days for enrollment, you can save the settings by hitting the Save User button in the bottom right to save the configuration. Taking a look through the eyes of a JumpCloud user, we'll use the JumpCloud user Bob Fay as an example. Now that we've enabled Bob Fay for MFA, once Bob logs into his account, he'll immediately see a pop-up stating that he's been enrolled for multi-factor authentication and needs to complete the setup. In order to use JumpCloud and MFA appropriately, JumpCloud users must have a mobile app that can handle TOTP tokens such as Google Authenticator, Duo, FreeOTP, or Authy. JumpCloud provides Google Authenticator by default via the two links for Android and iOS. If the user already has a TOTP app in place, they can simply hit Continue and scan the QR code with their phone app and then type in the 6-digit TOTP token code. By hitting Submit, this will verify an MFA token, thus setting it up and activating MFA for their user portal on their JumpCloud account. The next time that the user logs into their JumpCloud user portal, they'll need to type in their JumpCloud account, password, and MFA token. Likewise, to enable MFA for JumpCloud administrators, you'll first want to log into your JumpCloud administrator account, click on your email address in the top right to show the drop-down menu, and then click on Administrators. This window will list the administrators within your JumpCloud organization. To enable MFA for an admin, simply click on the Details button next to their username. In the Edit Administrator pop-up, click on the checkbox for Enable Multi-Factor Authentication for login. Lastly, hit the Edit button in the bottom right. The next time that the administrator logs into their JumpCloud administrative account, they will be prompted to set up their multi-factor authentication in the same manner as a JumpCloud user. Thanks again for watching this tutorial over configuring multi-factor authentication for both JumpCloud users and administrators.